be made from banana tree trunks, specifically the pseudostem, using a sustainable textile process that turns agricultural waste into durable fabric. In fashion, banana jeans can also refer to a specific curved leg silhouette popularized by designers like Rick Owens. How banana fiber jeans are made. The production of banana denim involves several stages to transform the layered stalk of the plant into a wearable textile. Harvesting. After the fruit is collected, the pseudostem, the fleshy, fibrous trunk, is harvested. Extraction. The outer layers of the trunk are stripped to reveal inner fibers. A process called decortication, manual or mechanical, separates these fibers from the stem. Fiber treatment. Fibers are washed, dried, and sometimes boiled to remove natural gums and impurities. Spinning and weaving. The dried fibers are spun into yarn, often blended with cotton or linen for increased softness and stretch. This yarn is then woven into denim fabric. Key properties of banana fabric. Durability. Banana fiber has high tensile strength, making it more resistant to wear and tear than many other natural fibers. Eco-friendly. It utilizes agricultural waste that would otherwise be burned. Texture. Depending on the layer used, it can range from a rough, burlap-like feel, outer sheath, to a soft, silk-like texture, inner sheath. Jeans are made from banana tree trunks by harvesting the agricultural waste of the pseudostem, extracting, washing, and drying the fibers, which are then spun into yarn and woven into durable, sustainable denim. Startups like Canvalup utilize this waste, often blending it with cotton to create eco-friendly fabrics. Key steps in banana fiber denim production. Harvesting and extracting. After harvesting the fruit, the trunk, pseudostem, is cut. The overlapping layers are removed, and specialized machines, called decorticators, scrape the pulp to extract the inner fibers. Cleaning and drying. Fibers are washed to remove starch and sap, then sun-dried to strengthen them. Spinning and weaving. The fibers are spun into yarn, which is often blended with organic cotton or hemp for better texture. The resulting yarn is woven into denim fabric. Finishing. The fabric is dyed, often with eco-friendly dyes, and treated for durability. Surat-based startup Canvalup, founded by Shreyansh Kokra, is a pioneering Indian company transforming agricultural waste, specifically banana stems and pineapple leaves, into eco-friendly, sustainable textile fibers. Using proprietary technology, they convert these agricultural residues into high-performance fabrics that require 99.8% less water than traditional cotton denim. Key details about the initiative. Banana and pineapple waste. Cantaloupe converts waste from banana stems and pineapple leaves, along with hemp, into textiles that are light and soft. Eco-friendly process. The process is a closed-loop system, meaning no hazardous solvents are used and all water is recycled, significantly reducing environmental impact. Impact. The technology helps prevent the burning of agricultural waste and increases income for marginal farmers. Product range. They work with brands to create sustainable